Merrill C-40T valve body for the Merrill W5000 and the E5000. So a couple things to notice about it. We'll have this rubber red seal down here at the bottom. And it's got those internal female threads there, and we'll have those female threads there as well. So we can go ahead and take a couple measurements of the valve body, starting with a total length. And that total length will measure right at about 3 1/4 inches. And we can also get an outer and inner diameter here at this hexed side. So the outer diameter at the hex will measure right at about 1.5 inches, with an inside diameter of right at 1 inch. Okay, then if we flip it over and go to this more wide side, we'll also get an outer and inner diameter. So this one, the outer diameter will measure right at about 1 3/4 inches, and the inside measuring right at about 1 1/4 inches. Okay, so once again, this is the Merrill C-40T valve faucet.